Hi, I'm Jess at InfoComm 2025, and right now I am hanging out at the Adamson booth. And if you are somebody who likes to be in the cutting edge, in the know, at the forefront of cool new product releases, you have got to spend some time here at this booth. This team has a lot to be excited about this year. I'm going to zoom in on one of my favorites. I want to talk about the Adamson XG integration amplifiers, representing another step towards a complete Adamson ecosystem. These wonderful amplifiers are going to integrate in with all of your existing Adamson systems, and of course, all controlled by that proprietary software. So it makes everything easy peasy. And I want you to take a look at each one of these pieces here with me. All of those individual bits are made in-house. So in a world right now that maybe feels a little uncertain, and especially with supply chains, you can reduce some of that stress and get a little more peace of mind. You really have to come learn more about all of these products in person. And while you're here, be sure to take a little wander through the Fletcher machine. It is such a cool interactive 3D sound experience, absolutely worth seeing in person. There's lots of demos, all those cool new product releases, lots to do here at the Adamson booth. So hopefully I'll see you soon.